This video will give you practice in receiving a customer payment. Open the working file called landworks_payments_lab. On the home page, click Receive Payments. Go to the Received From menu and choose Octavio Scott. QuickBooks shows the customer balance as well as the open invoices. Click in the amount field and type 360. And press Tab and change the date to January 15th, 2013. We'll leave the payment method as check and click in the check number field and type 3476 as the check number. And we'll leave the deposit to option as is. Since this company file has the preference turned on to automatically apply invoice amounts, QuickBooks applies the payment to the oldest invoice. But in this case, Scott wrote invoice number 38 on his check, so you should apply the payment to that invoice. And to do that, click Unapply Payment and select the invoice 38. And that's it. Just click Save and Close. If, when you're recording a customer payment, the amount doesn't cover the full amount of the invoice, QuickBooks will ask you how you want to handle the underpayment. So let's go to the Customer Center and choose Gomez Francisco. Just click once. And on the Transaction tab, double-click the invoice number 20. And to receive a payment on this invoice, click Receive Payments, and the Receive Payments window opens. QuickBooks is assuming that the amount is being paid in full and has entered $328 for you. But the check was written for $228, so enter $228 in the amount field and set the date to January 15th, 2013. For the check number, type 2347. So here you can see that QuickBooks has applied the $228 amount to the invoice. And at the bottom, QuickBooks is asking you what to do with the underpayment. When you choose Leave this as an underpayment, QuickBooks applies the partial payment to the selected invoice and keeps the remaining balance on the invoice. So we'll leave this option selected. And you can quickly view the customer record by clicking the View Customer Contact Information. You can contact the customer to ask about the partial payment, but we won't do that now, so we'll just click Cancel. And click Save and Close. Here you can see that the balance due is $100 and the payment supplied is $228. So let's close this invoice. And that's it. That was easy.